your dish.
Hi and welcome to my channel. I ride a Shellness beach. It's on the Isle of Sheppey. It's a sunny day and let's go check the beach. Okay, here we are. This is the Shellness beach. Right next to Botany Bay. There's this famous arc in the cliffs. I'm going to see what it's all about. Okay, that's Botany Bay over there, and here's the arc. I didn't even see it from the top. Saw it in my drone for the first time. Well, castle is probably shut because of Corona, so I'm not gonna try going there. Ark is open. Ark doesn't care about Corona. Oh, now I'm walking on some vegetarian breakfast. Yeah, it looks like a salad. Oh, and there's a fork. It's ready to eat. I'm in Margate now. I'm meeting with my friend who is a tattoo artist, and I'm gonna make a short video about him. So if you're from Margate, hit him up. Okay, that's my friend Ray. He's a tattoo artist in Margate. So if you want a good tattoo, hit him up. I'm gonna put his Facebook in my description. Looks like he already found some client already.
Yeah, I'll be first.
So don't be slow. There are queues already waiting to get tattoos.